I'm so hungry for pizza!
A transcription!
What's that sound coming from the floor?
Whoa!
It's a Ninja Turtle hero!
Dude, I heard someone say pizza. I'm a master at making pizza. I can show you the secret ninja way.
The secret ninja way?
Yes, please!
First you take the pizza dough.
He spun it like a ninja!
Spread the sauce, don't be slow.
Around and around goes the sauce.
Now it's time to add the cheese.
Lots and lots of cheese, please.
The best part, if you please.
I'll put my pepperoni here. I'll pull in pepperoni here. And I'm making a pepperoni smiley face.
Awesome! Now, into the oven. Ah!
It smells delicious. Pizza time!
Cowabunga! This is the best pizza ever, dudes!
Making pizza is a super fun adventure.
Subscribe for more awesome pizza parties. Bye-bye!